We're here with Michael. We're talking about BioTE, which is bioidentical hormone replacement. Tell me about kind of how you were feeling and the reason that you looked to BioTE for an answer.
Well, before BioTE, I was sluggish. I never felt good. I had really low energy. It was hard to concentrate. Sometimes I couldn't get my thoughts together, even though I knew what I wanted to say. And there were just other things going on physically that happen when your testosterone's too low. I felt really bad all the time.
Right. How old are you?
49.
How old did you feel?
60,
60,
70.
70. Okay, so it wasn't good.
No.
Okay, and you tried other types of treatment before. What
Right.
have you tried before?
I tried androgel, which is a gel you put on every day, and I didn't like that because I had to be careful who touched me.
And how long was it before you could tell a difference?
I would say 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
Like I felt like an 18-year-old kid again.
Okay.
I felt really good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so you've had your post blood work done.
Yeah.
What did it show?
My hormone levels are right where they should be, and like I said, I feel incredible. And it's lasted. I did it in August, and we're almost in November now.
Okay.
And I still feel really good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Would you recommend other people try it?
Absolutely. It's totally worth it.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks, Michael.
Thanks, Tyson.